Welcome to the Smart Money Kit. The Smart Money Kit is an educational training system that empowers people to build credit, eliminate their debt, and grow their cash flow. In our current system, we are offering 750 Credit Plan. 750 Credit Plan is a detailed do-it-yourself credit repair education training. Inside 750 Credit Plan, you will find over 2 hours of credit training. You will learn what financial aspects affect your credit score and how you can enhance your credit utilizing score building techniques. The Smart Money system also offers 750 Monitoring. With 750 Monitoring, you're able to track and monitor changes in your credit. If there are any significant changes or suspicious activity, you are immediately notified. 750 Monitoring offers one of the lowest cost points in the industry for credit monitoring. For only $23.95, you can get 6 months of credit monitoring coverage, or for only $34.95, you can get a full year's worth of credit coverage. In addition, at any time, you can order one credit bureau report with scores for the low cost of $4. Or all credit bureau reports with 3 scores for the low cost of $8. Many times, people are unaware of derogatory items that show up on their credit report until they actually apply for a loan when it's already too late. 750 Monitoring keeps you in the know. Finally, the Smart Money system offers our award-winning income shifting strategy training. Here you will learn how to add more cash flow into your household. Under this system, you will learn how to find extra dollars through 2 strategies: minimizing expenses and W-4 adjustments. These 2 strategies can put hundreds of dollars of positive cash flow back into your pockets. But our income shifting strategy doesn't stop there. Once you have discovered your positive cash flow, we can use that cash flow to rapidly eliminate debt using our debt eliminator calculator, which snowballs your debt down to 0. With positive cash flow and 0 debt, you are then directed to our financial calculator, which will show you just how quickly your money can grow for you and produce assets that can generate passive income for life. The Smart Money Kit is a comprehensive kit that empowers people to build their credit, eliminate their debt, and grow their cash flow. You now have access to that empowerment.